Hey my dear. How's it going? Today's conversation is one you can't miss. If you've ever wondered what signals a woman gives when she's interested, this video will help you understand it all. I'll explain, in a simple and direct way, how to spot those little things she might accidentally let slip, without even realizing it. So, if you want to finally understand what's really happening in her heart, stay with me until the end because you're going to leave here with some awesome tips that'll sharpen your game. Let's dive in. Wow, you're looking even better today. When she gives you this compliment, it's not just because you look good, but because she's looking at you in a different way. It might seem simple, but when a woman says this spontaneously, she's really paying attention to you in a more meaningful way. She's noticed your appearance, your energy, maybe even how much more confident you're feeling. If she says this, it could be a sign that you're starting to catch her attention in a more interesting way. It's not just a surface-level observation, it comes from a genuine interest. This kind of comment shows that she's seeing you differently, that something might be starting to bloom between you two, even if she hasn't directly said anything yet. So, if she compliments you like this, it's a sign that you might have won a little piece of her heart without even realizing it. Oh, you're so cool. When she says this, it's not just a casual comment. She's really telling you that she enjoys being around you. When she calls you cool, it means you make her feel comfortable, relaxed, and at ease. This phrase reveals that she enjoys your company and wants to spend more time with you. It's not just an observation about your personality, but a way for her to show that she appreciates you in a special way. When a woman says you're cool, it's because she feels good with you, without any rush or pressure. It's a clear sign that she wants to be closer to you, that she sees you in a positive light and is probably starting to like everything you represent. So, when you hear this, know that it's a big sign that she considers you someone really important to her. I'd love to hang out with you sometime. It might seem like a casual phrase, like she's just throwing out an idea, but when she says this, it's a huge sign that she wants to get to know you better and spend more time with you. She's not just saying it for the sake of it, she's giving you an opening, a disguised invitation for you two to get closer. If she mentions something like this, even in a light or playful way, it's because she's thinking about ways to connect with you on a more intimate level. It's her way of saying, hey, I want to get to know you more, I want to hang out with you, and see where this can go. This kind of comment shows she's open to the idea of you two having fun together, and it could be the start of something more if you know how to read between the lines. So, when you hear this, don't let it slip by. It could be your chance to take the first step towards something deeper. I think you're right. When she responds like this, it's not just a simple agreement. When a woman says this, it's a clear sign that she's listening to you carefully and values what you're saying. She's not just saying it for politeness, she actually cares about your opinion. This phrase is her way of showing that she respects you and that your words hold weight for her. If she says you're right, it could be an indication that you're gaining more space in her mind, that she values what you think and is interested in what you have to say. It's a subtle but powerful way of showing that she's paying attention to you and considers you someone important. So, if she uses this phrase, you can be sure that you're on the right track, earning more and more of her trust. I don't know what I'd do without you. This might seem like a simple phrase, but it has a huge emotional weight. When a woman says this, she's, without realizing it, revealing how much you've become an important part of her life. Even if she's not fully aware of it yet, she already feels a deep connection to you, something that goes beyond friendship. This kind of comment, even said lightly, is her way of saying indirectly that you're essential to her, that your presence brings comfort and security. She may not have fully articulated what she feels, but this phrase reflects how much she already values you. When a woman says this, it could be a sign that something stronger is beginning to grow between you two, even if she hasn't fully defined what's happening in her heart yet. So, if you hear this, know that you've already earned a special place in her heart, maybe without even realizing it. You make me laugh. When a woman says this, it's not just because she finds your jokes funny. This kind of comment carries much more emotional weight than it may seem at first. Laughing with you is her way of connecting in a light and relaxed manner. When she laughs at your jokes or the things you say, it's a sign that she feels really comfortable in your presence. This doesn't happen for no reason. She feels secure enough to open up and relax with you. It's her way of showing that she's enjoying herself and that she likes your company. If she laughs spontaneously, it's because she's enjoying the moment, and laughter, in this case, is her way of expressing that you make her feel good, without any pressure. Moreover, laughter is one of the most powerful forms of connection. It breaks barriers and brings people together in a very natural way. When she says, "You make me laugh," she's showing you that you're capable of bringing lightness to her day, that she feels comfortable and maybe even a little happier by your side. This is something valuable because she's subtly saying that your company is pleasant and that she wants to continue spending time with you. This kind of comment also reveals that she's emotionally opening up, letting herself relax and have fun with you. It's not just about being funny or making jokes, it's about creating an environment where she feels comfortable being herself. So when you hear this, know that you're doing much more than just making her laugh. You're winning a special place in her heart, creating a genuine and strong connection. That's definitely a great sign. And there you have it. Now you know how to spot the signals when a woman is giving you those hints you can't ignore. If you enjoyed the video and learned something new, don't forget to leave a like down below, share with your friends, and of course, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next videos. It's going to be amazing having you here again for our next chat. And don't forget to come back for the next video because there are so many more hot tips coming your way. See you soon, my dear. Stay tuned and let's conquer that heart.